The chef is back, the chef is back, the chef is back, the chef is back, goddamn me. Just part-time though, just light duty, y'all. I'm looking for my batter though. Show y'all what we having here real quick today. My kids been complaining about daddy ain't been in the kitchen. So goddamn me, right here we just having some homemade sweet potato, goddamn me. Everything made from scratch in here. Everything made from scratch. Goddamn me, some black eyed peas I just got done sizzling up. These mud steaming and hot. That's straight yummy, straight batter. Yummy, 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 yummy. That's them black eyed peas right there. Oh yeah, it's about to go down up in here. Y'all don't know what y'all missing, goddamn me. Got me some bacon in there. Sweet potatoes from scratch. Sweet potatoes cut, peeled, boiled down, spiced up just right. Just how great grandma and grandma used to do it, goddamn me, and moms. And just some cornbread right there. That's from scratch too also. Everything. Just something not too major, not too major. My thumb coming along, it still hurt, goddamn me. I can barely bend it, goddamn me. But I had to get in here and do something because it's been too long and I've been getting bored. But yeah, that's what my thumb look like right now. So it coming along, you know, I can bend it a little better now. It's still kind of hurt though, you know. But yeah, it's about to go down up in here though. Well, fine. I'll take it on down through there. Yummy, 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 yummy.